These crabs are not what you think. Stick around to the end of the video to find out why. If you like the content, give us a like and subscribe. 1. Crabs communicate by drumming their claws on the ground. 2. Some crab species can walk forwards, backward, and sideways. 3. The Hawaiian bobtail squid sometimes uses hermit crab shells for shelter. 4. Coconut crabs are the largest land-living arthropods and can climb trees. 5. Japanese spider crabs have the longest leg span of any arthropod. 6. Fiddler crabs use their small claw to shovel food into their mouths. 7. Crabs can regenerate lost limbs. 8. Mantis shrimp are not technically crabs, but their punch is as fast as a bullet.